That was funny.
Let's see.
Awesome.
The male side, it can get blown out. Female side.
Male side can get blown out.
Yeah.
How many needed?
It needs to go this way. It needs to fall that way, 0.5. So it needs to be
0.5?
Yeah, so it needs to be right there. So it needs to come up for more gravel.
We have a 1 and 4, so he said he can cut him up in there.
Yeah.
If not, we can push him up 1 inch that way. That'd be better.
Well, he's gonna cut him off anyhow. Whenever they do.
Yeah, he can cut him up.
Cut it off.
So it's.
So here, grab one.
This is pretty good.
Tanner, grab that shovel. Go grab it.
Tenorio.
Yes, sir.
I know. I'm not doing any more clean rock.
What will you center, Tenorio?
Huh?
Center?
Center?
Yes, sir. You need to watch.
Okay, bring it down.
Hey, buddy.
How are you? How's it going?
Going pretty well.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'll bring it down.
Right now you can put it down. Loco.
Perfect, actually. Yep.
How many they
Oh,
have?
that's 0.1.
0.1.
0.1.
It's like half inch. Up. Oh, down this way. Down.
Yeah, it's got to go down on that end. Hey, there's Zeus. Ain't seen him all day.
No, he's not Jesus.
Put it down, Mo.
Bring it toward me.
Push it that way.
Marcos, it's got to come a little bit this way too. Angel. Okay, down.
Good.
Perfect.
All right.
How bad is the crack?
I'll send it.
Is there any wire showing?
You can see the wire.
You can see the wire?
Yeah. He say, can you explain in Spanish what was the... No, for you, my love. You know, hey, my girl.
Certified gaslighter.
That one, this is fine. Don't break it in.
Hey, shh. Marcos!
He said that one's good.
It's good?
It's good.
Yeah. Okay. Turn around, buddy. Back in. We go.
Come on. What are you doing?
Yeah.
This guy's slowing us down.
Have you seen the, what is
I'm really bad about having the time to be able to play golf. So like,
Man, it's not
I've only gone once this year, or not once this year, but once this summer.
Yeah, that was the first time I played this summer. Yeah, it's gotta go this way.
Yeah, I definitely can't fit in a pipe right now. Ain't no way. Okay. Yeah, Marcos.
There's a lot of rocks in there, buddy.
Okay. Did you put it down?
We got healed like it.
And you... Bar?
And then inspection, or have we heard anything on that? Is that a
Yeah.
tomorrow situation?
Yeah, they'll be out here at 10 a.m. tomorrow.
Perfect. Sweet.
Yeah, so we'll be able to gravel it. It's pretty much going to be gravel all the way up.
Heck yeah.
Yeah, because it needs 6 inches on top, and that's pretty much 6 inches to get to base.
Yeah. Along with that, are we gonna do? Are we gonna send 2 guys out here to backfill and everything, and then the other guys head to Rogers for densities? Have we heard anything on density test?
Yeah, so we'll have 2 guys out there doing densities, and then everyone else will come here. And we'll be able to start testing that water tomorrow too.
Okay.
Tomorrow we'll start testing.
No. Pues aquí andamos comiendo. ¿Cuál es su nombre? What's the name of this joint?
Ah, dude, I don't know. That's what I'm saying. I don't know what it is.
Hey, but take a look around. Look at this place.
It's perfect.
It's perfect. You already know this is gonna be some of the best food you've ever had.
100%.
Like this is.
As someone who's been here pretty religiously, it's good. It's really good. Yeah. Perfect.
Put the mic like right here.
Well, the mic's right.
So good.
What is that? How are the? Wait.
I have no words.
They're good for the heart, dude. Absolute soul.
Is that a
Dude,
tear?
this is insane.
Look at the spread real quick.
Dude, I can't stop smiling right now. It's so good.
Yeah, I'm telling you, bro.
This is so good.
You gotta figure it out.
I know what I like. Right there, bro. Most heavenly tacos around, dude. This one's so good. Oh my god.
Dude, I'm already 2 down. This is about. I could do this in 1 bite.
You know what I'm saying? We
Should I
came
try?
here, we ordered like 6 tacos and we immediately went back and got like
Yeah,
4
dude.
or 5 more.
Yeah, couldn't stop eating them. I'd already eaten a whole lunchbox worth of food that day too. Like not even
3
30 minutes
cosmic
before.
brownies.
Yeah, 3 cosmic brownies.
Alright, first things first, you gotta dress them up. You gotta get the juices flowing. Once the juices are flowing, then you can partake. These tacos are not to be taken lightly. They must be prepared, perfectly prepared. You don't have to. They're pretty good however you like them. But there's a method to it. Perfect. Cheers. Get the mango. That's hot.
Spicy.
Cheers.
That was that good.